Hi, welcome to this video. In this video, we will see how to run LLMs locally. Okay, so I have prepared one document run LLMs locally using Ollama. So what is Ollama? Ollama is a lightweight open source model that open source tool that allows you to run LLMs directly on your hardware. Okay, why use it? Because of privacy, because no cost, right? Simplicity and integration. So you can read it, then we need to download and install. We have to go to Ollama, then we will do all these practicals. Okay, so now let's go to Ollama. Okay, so go to Ollama, then here click download. I have already downloaded to my system. So let's go to the downloads folder. Here it's downloaded, so double click it. Installation will happen. Let's wait for some time. Okay, now click install, then it will install. It will take some time, so I will pause this video now and start it again. Okay, once the download is finished. Okay, now installation is complete. Now this is the desktop version. Okay, here we will close this because we will go through CLI mode. Okay, so close this. Go to command prompt, then write Ollama version. Okay, see the version. Now if you write Ollama help, okay, it will show you all the available commands: Ollama serve, Ollama create, Ollama show, Ollama run, Ollama stop, pull, push, sign in, sign out, then list, PS, CP, RM to remove, launch and help. Okay, so these are the available commands. Okay, now let's first run Ollama list. Okay, so here no models are present locally. Okay, so to run a model, we need to write the command Ollama run. Ollama run, then model name. So how to get model name? We will go to Ollama website. Okay, here models, different models are there. Okay, so we will, for this demonstration, we will go for a lightweight model. So we will go for Gemma. Okay, Gemma 3. Okay, Gemma 3. The current most capable model that runs on a single GPU. Okay, so we will go for this 270 million parameter. Okay, because the size is very less, 292 MB, only this much. Okay, see other models size is 17 GB, 8.1 GB. So if you have a lesser RAM or less GPU, CPU, then you should go for a smaller model. Okay, for demonstration we will go for this smaller model. So before downloading any model, you should check whether your system support it or not. Like you can't run large models locally, okay, if your system is not supporting. So we will go for this Gemma 3 270 million parameter. So Ollama run, okay, model name. Okay, enter. So it's only 291 MB and it's downloading, so it will take less time. Let's wait. Okay, now the download is complete. You can see, then it will run. Success. Now it will run. So send a message. Okay, write a Python program to add two numbers. Simple. Okay, so it's giving the answer. It's also giving the explanation. To come out, you need to run /by. Okay, so now if you run Ollama list, you will see that this model is present locally on our system. Okay, like that you can go for other models. Suppose you want to run Llama. Okay, so let's check Llama 3.2. See, Llama 3.2, this one is 2 GB, this one 1.3, this one 2 GB. If your laptop supports, first check whether your laptop supports or not. If it supports, then you go for you can go for any model to run locally. Okay, see, so many models are available. DeepSeek is there. See, GPT OSS, this is OpenAI's model. OpenAI's open weight model designed for powerful reasoning and agentic task and versatile developer use cases. Okay, 7.7 million, 7.6 million downloads. See, the size is this one. If you download locally, then it will size is 65 GB. Okay, now we will run this cloud version. Okay, so how to run this cloud version? To run the cloud version, you need to log into ollama.com. You can use your Gmail to log into Ollama, or you can write Ollama sign in. I have already logged in, I have already signed in on this system. You can run this and sign in. So I will run. Now I will run directly, as I have already Ollama run model name GPT OSS 120B cloud version. Okay, so see, connecting to GPT OSS on ollama.com. So here you can ask, what is 1B, 4B, 120B, parameters in reference to LLM models. Okay, any question you can ask. So it's a thinking model, it's thinking before giving the answer. Now it's giving the answer, like now billion weights in neural network. Okay, you can see the answer from here. Okay, architecture, all those things it will give you. Okay, to come out by. Okay, so like that you can run any cloud model. So to run local models, you can Ollama run, then model name. It will download to your system. If you want to run cloud models, then you need to Ollama run, you need to sign in. So if you have less memory or less GPU, CPU, like less RAM, then you should go for you should log in to ollama.com and go for cloud models. So it's better. For only for demonstration I show how to run a lightweight model, that is Gemma 3. For demonstration I show this Gemma 3, this one. Okay, now I think the demo is complete. We have checked Ollama version. We okay, how to remove the model? Okay, we need to show that. Okay, Ollama sign in we did, we run the cloud model. How to remove a model? Okay, see, these two models are there. To remove, we need to write Ollama RM model name. Okay, so it's deleted. So if now we check Ollama list, see the model is deleted. Okay, so I think we completed all the practicals. Like we downloaded Ollama, we checked the version, using Ollama run, we run a model. Okay, Ollama list to see the models available. Now to remove Ollama RM, to exit a chart /by, then we in demo we saw Ollama run Gemma 3 model because it's very lightweight. Then we removed that and we did Ollama sign in on ollama.com. You can sign in using the CLI command prompt, then you can run cloud models. So always remember, before downloading any model, always remember whether your system supports it or not. If not, then go for this cloud one. Okay. Okay, as all the demos are completed, now I will push this document to my GitHub repo. Let me open git init. Okay, initialize, then let me go to GitHub, new repo, repo name Ollama tutorial available. Okay, public, create repo. So we have done git init, then we will git add dot git commit, then Ollama doc. Okay, committed. Now git remote add origin, okay. Now git push origin main. Okay, so if we'll go to this repo, say I will find this document here. Okay, all the steps written here, so you can download it from here. You can go to code, you go to this URL code, see HTTPS, you can do git clone or you can download the zip file. Okay. So this one is completed. As you can see, I am doing this in Google Anti-Gravity. So in next videos I'll teach AI coding. Okay, in AI coding we will use Cursor, we will use Google Anti-Gravity, or we can use GitHub Copilot to make full stack apps, and we can use Gemini CLI or Cloud Code. Okay, all those things we will learn in AI coding. Okay, after that we can also, I will do also take classes for AI for product management. So you can subscribe to my channel if you like this video or you want the upcoming videos. Okay, that will be on AI coding and AI product management. Okay, so that's it for today. So always make sure you have enough resources like RAM and GPU before downloading any model. Okay, so you have to check that whether your system supports it or not. Okay, that's it for today. We will meet in next video.